Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Fleetio Go app is and how it's positioned. Fleetio Go is a mobile fleet management application designed to help teams manage vehicles, maintenance, and operations from a smartphone or tablet, based on official Fleetio and App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a companion to Fleetio's broader platform, allowing users to access and update fleet data from anywhere in real time. Users can perform vehicle inspections, report issues, and log fuel activity directly within the app interface, according to official App Store listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. According to Fleetio's official site, the app allows users to schedule maintenance, create work orders, and review service history for each vehicle. The same source highlights inspection tools that use digital checklists and allow users to attach photos and collect data during inspections. Users can also receive notifications and reminders for maintenance tasks or reported issues, helping track time-sensitive actions. App Store descriptions confirm that barcode scanning is available to quickly look up vehicles, equipment, or tools within the system. The platform also supports adding documents, photos, and comments to assets, which may help teams collaborate and maintain records. Based on official information, technicians can manage work orders and view assigned issues from anywhere, which may help reduce downtime. Fleetio Go also allows managing multiple fleets and customizing user permissions, according to App Store details. The app may also include tools for tracking fuel usage and reviewing maintenance history to monitor overall fleet performance. For users interested in coordinating inspections, maintenance, and asset tracking in one place, this could be a structured option. This app may be useful for fleet managers, drivers, and technicians who need mobile access to operational data and tasks. Some advanced capabilities like integrations with GPS or telematic systems are mentioned in official materials, but availability may depend on setup and subscription. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.